Good morning, dear student. Today in this class, I am explaining to you chapter number 8 and the name of this chapter decimal. This is the number 3.5. We have to read 0.5. Point means this point is represent to decimal. And what is the mean of this decimal? Decimal, after the decimal one digit, always represented less than a whole number. And now the question arise, what is a whole number? Whole number क्या होता है? Who started the definition of a whole number? A number who started from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. That is a counting number. But remember always, whole number it means start from 0. So this from before the point, that is a whole number. Okay, and after this point, that is a decimal number. Is it clear? Point before point, that is a whole number, and after point, that is a decimal number. And decimal, it represent a less than a whole number. Yani if this 0.5, it is a represent a less than a whole number. Okay, whole number, it is not coming in point, always coming a number, actual number. Understand now the difference between of the decimal and a whole number? Now let us do more study about this decimal. And here is a place value in decimal number. What is a place value in decimal number? This is the point. And starting from this is the place of whole number. So whole number place value, you all are they aware properly. What is it? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand and so on. But after the decimal, there is a place value start from tenth. TENTH, tenth, and here hundred, HUNDREDTH, hundredth, and here thousand, THOUSANDTH. This TH represent, these are the number is less than a whole number. If I am writing a 1/6, it means how can you represent it? Like that 1/6. This TH is represent, the 6 is coming in denominator place. Okay, if I am writing here 1/5, this 1/5 it represent, it means 1/5. Okay, so 1/10, it means 1/10, hundredth means 1/100, and thousand means 1/1000. This is the place values in decimal number. Always started from 10, then after 100 and 1000. When you are moving from in this direction, left to right. Clear? This concept, it should be clear in your mind. Now, and in previous classes already you have to clear this type of the concept. And one more thing you have to keep in mind, the decimal number maximum we have to take 3 decimal number. More than 4 if you will get, or more than 5 you are getting, then you have to convert in 3 decimal number. Maximum 3 decimal number we have to take, and that's why we have to took the place values only 3, 10th, 100th and 1000th. Is it clear? Now the that number is given 343.69. This is the basic information I am telling to you about decimal. This how to write this number name. This is the 343 because this is the whole number. So as it is, you have to write which you are writing whole number name 343. Nothing is changes. Now the point is there, so you have to write here point, या एंड भी लिख सकते हो, डेसिमल भी लिख सकते हो इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस पॉइंट वर्ड. ओके, नाउ 69, so 69 it becomes 69, so you can write here 69. And now look the 9 place value. In which place is 9? This is the 10th and this is a 100th, so 9 is coming in 100th place value. So after writing 69, write here the 100th, HUNDREDTH. Don't forget to write TH word also. This is the number name of decimal number. And one more way that express this number name, 343, as it is 343 43. Okay, then point, and you can write the single, because how to read this decimal number like that, 343.69. so you have to represent also like that, 69. Hopefully you understand the number name, how to write it of your decimal number. Now expanded, how to do expanded form. This is the expanded form. Whole number which way you already expand, that way we have to do. Okay, this is the way. तो होल नंबर. नाउ डेसिमल नंबर को कैसे करेंगे? 6 10th है, इट मीन्स 6 इज कमिंग इन 10th प्लेस, सो 6 अपॉन 10. 9 10th, it means 900th, it means 9 upon 100. This is the way to break your expanded form in this decimal number. This decimal number to express in expanded form. Okay, now suppose that this is the standard form, this is the expanded form is given, and you want to express in a standard form. How to express it? This is a question is given and you want to express in a standard form. Standard form, this is a standard form. Now 308, so you have to write here 308. Now 1000 is coming, it means here is a decimal number is started, so put here the point. Now 6 is coming in 1000th place, so 1000 place पे आ रहा है, so सबसे पहले क्या आता है? 10th नहीं है, वहाँ पे क्या लगा दिया? 0. 100th भी नहीं है, 0, but 1000th one digit is given, that is 6, so write here the 6. This is the standard form of given जो अपने पास में expanded form है, उसकी ये standard form है. So hopefully all are they understand the concept of decimal. Now let us start our exercise 8.1. Write the following decimal in a place value. How can you do this type of the question? This is given 21.4 and B 0.5. So you have to write here the like that the place value above the place, about ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Here 10th, 100th, 1000th. Okay, represent like that. Now this 21 is coming in whole one number place, write 21, then point and this 4, 0.5. Now next number is 103.61, so write here 103.61. This is the way to do this question number 1 in your copy. Do remaining one question, as you have to write here the question C, D, E, F, G, H and fill in place value like that. Now question number 2. How can you do? Write each of the following as a decimal. Decimal में लिखना है 8/10. 8/10 how can you represent it? 8/10 decimal में represent करना है. So according to the 0 you have to check the numbers. यहाँ पे 1 0 ऊपर भी 1 digit है, तो it means put point here. And whole number नहीं है तो whole number के लिए क्या आ जाएगा? 0.8. Now next B 600 2 10s. 600 2 10s, it means 20 है. 2 10 मतलब क्या हो गया? 20. 620 and 7/10 है, it means क्या हो जाएगा? 620.7, because 10th is coming in after the decimal point. decimal के बाद में 10th आता है तो 0.7 आ जाएगा. 19.6, ये भी बहुत ईजी वे है लिखने का. 19.6 कैसे लिखेंगे? 19.6. एंड डी 100 and 100th. 100 and 100 को कैसे लिखना है? 100 लिखा एंड 100th प्लस लगा दो 100th, अभी तुम ऐसे लिखो. फिर उसके बाद में 100 एंड द 10th प्लेस वैल्यू इज गिवन, नहीं दे रखी तो उसकी जगह 0. 100th प्लेस वैल्यू में डिजिट दे रखी, क्या है वो? 1, तो सो यू हैव टू पुट हियर द 1. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ डी. Question number 3, I already explained in example, so easily you can do. How to write it? 405 and 3/10. 3/10 is coming in 405.3. This one 3/10 and 400th यानी डेसिमल नंबर गिवन है तो डेफिनेटली पॉइंट होगा. फिर उसके बाद में 10th one digit and 100th one digit and no whole number is there, so put here the 0. Write the following as a fraction in lowest term. Write the following as decimal. ये डेसिमल गिवन है, फ्रैक्शन में लिखना और लोएस्ट टर्म भी बनाना है. रिमेंबर डेसिमल को फ्रैक्शन में और फ्रैक्शन को लोएस्ट टर्म. सो हाउ कैन यू रिमूव दिस? डू दिस टाइप ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस लाइक दैट. 0.005. सो यू हैव टू रिमूव हियर पॉइंट. पॉइंट को जब रिमूव करोगे, सो देन हाउ मेनी डेसिमल नंबर्स आर देयर इन हाफ सर्कल? 3. सो 005 here the how many 3 digit are 3 digit is there, so we have to according to the digit put here the 0 into denominator. 3 डेसिमल नंबर जितने होते हैं उतने पे ही अपने पास में क्या आते हैं? जीरोस आते हैं, बिकॉज डेसिमल नंबर के अकॉर्डिंग अपन यहाँ पे 0 लिखते हैं. सो 1000, सो नाउ यू कैन राइट लाइक दैट 5/1000. नाउ मेक ए लोएस्ट टर्म. 5 से ही कट हो रहा है, 5 पंजा 5, ये 200 है, सो दैट आंसर इज 1/200. ये अपना फ्रैक्शन में आया, फ्रैक्शन से ये लोएस्ट टर्म में आया. सो डू दिस टाइप ऑफ द क्वेश्चन लाइक दैट. 6.5 पॉइंट को रिमूव करो, नीचे 10 आएगा 65/10 लाइक दैट. 6.5 पॉइंट इट शुड बी रिमूव. सो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा 65 और ये 10. Now because one decimal number is there, that's why 10 it is coming. Now don't forget, some student what they are doing, 6 को भी remove कर देते हैं, 5 लिख देते हैं. नहीं बेटा, 65/10 आएगा. Now make a lowest term कैसे बनेगा? 5 से कट रहा है ये 1 13 और ये 2 टाइम. So that answer is 13/2. Now next question number 5. This is a very easy. Represent a number line. How can you represent a number line? 5.2. Number line पे represent करना है. You know it very well. This is a 5 and 6. How many lines are there? 9 line is there. 1 2 3 4. ये 5 6 7 8 9. 5.1. This is the 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8 and 5.9. After the 5.9, then you will get here the next whole number 6. अंडरस्टैंड नाउ. इजीली यू कैन सी इन योर रूलर में बहुत इजीली तुम लोग चेक कर सकते हो. वहाँ पे लाइन होती है छोटी छोटी. फर्स्ट सेंटीमीटर होता है, देन आफ्टर दिस इज अ मिलीमीटर. सो दिस 1 मिलीमीटर 5.1 को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. दिस नेक्स्ट 5.2, 5.3, 5.4. नाउ वी वांट टू 5.2. सो हियर यू कैन सी 5.2. सो अंडरस्टैंड, होल नंबर्स का सक्सेसर कर दो और उसके बाद उसके पास में ही क्या होगा, आपका डेसिमल नंबर आएगा. लाइक 1.4 इट इज़ कमिंग 1 and 2 के बीच में आएगा. 3.1 इट इज़ कमिंग 3 and 4 के बीच में. 6.7 it is coming in between of the whole number 6 and 7. So hopefully understand how can you do this question number 5. Question number 6, nothing is there too much, only put the decimal in between of them, that it become a number. Now question number 7, write as a decimal. So you have to divide. 3 में 5 का divide लगाना है. So how to do this type of the question? 3 divided by 5. 3 it is a numerator place and D denominator. Denominator means we have to divide this 5 by 5 in 3. Okay. Now how can you divide it? अब 5 से 3 में divide लगाएंगे. ये तो smallest number है. And for dividing always we can see greatest number. Now smallest number है तो कैसे divide लगाएंगे? So first we have to take a decimal. Point लिया. Point means we can take a 0. That is the point is giving you permission. Permission दे रहा है आपको क्या? एक 0 लेने की. Okay. So you have to take here 1 0. If you're putting here 1 decimal is given to permission, put here the 1 0. Now number it become 30. Now in 35 table it is coming how many times? 6 times. So divide is gone completely 6 times. So that answer is 0.6. No whole number is there, so you have to put here the 0.6. Now look our next question. 1/1000. How can you do this type of the questions? 1/1000. Already I told you one trick, short way, that according to the number of zeros, balance your number of numerator 1 digit and then after put the point. But how to divide this type of the divide? How can you do it? Right here the 1 numerator 1 digit is coming inside of divide symbol and divide by this 1000. Okay. Now this is a 1 is a very smallest. So we have to put here the point. If we are putting here point, then we have to take 1 0. Okay. Now this 10 is again is smallest from 1000. अभी भी divide नहीं जा रहा है. 10 तो अभी भी smallest है. So what we have to do? Put here 1 more 0 to want 1 0 more. अपन को एक 0 और चाहिए, तो इसलिए अपन ने यहाँ पे क्या लगाया? 0. So again we have to write here the 0. Now 100 अभी भी smallest है. So again we have to put here the 0 for writing here 1 more 0. Understand now? If it is a required more zeros, so you have to put here in answer also that 0 and then after in this question also. Okay. Now in 1000 is coming in 1000 table 1 time. So the divide is going 1 time. Now that answer is 0.001 and no whole number is there, so you have to put here the 0. So that answer is 0.001. Now in the short way, you know it number of zeros is there 3 and here is a 1 digit, so you want to 2 more zeros, so you have to put here the 2 zeros also. Now understand how to do this type of the questions, and now put the decimal here. Next, if it is given this type of the questions, so you have to clear your concept how to take zeros according to the given digit. अगर smallest है, smallest में तो divide नहीं लगा सकते, तो for making a bigger number, so we have to put here this type of the concept. Okay, now 1/25. Here I am doing D1, C1 you can do itself. 1/25, 1 भी divide लगाना है 25 का, ये तो smallest है, so take point 1, take point, it means you have to put here the 0 one time. Now again ये तो छोटा है, तो फिर that's why we have to put here one more 0. अब यहाँ पे one more 0 put किया, तो then we get a permission, take here in dividend place one more 0. Now 100 is coming 4 times, so that answer is 0.04. No whole. Now we have done till question number 7. Okay, now I'm going to explain you question number 8, 9 and 10. These questions you have to fill in book only. Between which two number in 10th place on the number line does each of the given number lie? So we have to find the two number in 10th place. So keep in mind two number in 10th place. So what is the 10th place is here? 0. Okay, so take 0.0 and 0.0, oh sorry, 1. This is a 2. ठीक है, तो this number it is coming in between of 0.0 to 0.1. Now let us look another one. This is a 10th place 3. So this number it is coming from 0.3 to 0.4. I hope so understand now this according to the second question. 7 के लिए, because we have to find the two number in 10th place, that's why we have to take 10th one digit only. So 0.7, write first same one digit, then after write 0.8. Increase in 10th one place one digit. So that is coming 0.8. So this number is coming in between of the 0.7 to 0.8. Now understand and do the remaining question in book only. Write the decimal number represented by PQRS on the given number. So we have to find the P value given in this whole number. So what is it? This number is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and this one P is 0.6. So P value is coming on 0.6 place value. Now 2, just count it 1.5. This is a 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. So Q is coming in on 1.8 place. So same as you have to find for R value and S. Now question number 10. Here is already done one solution and we have to look and find out other one also. So here is a 41 point is given in this grid. Okay, so that 41 grid out of 100. This is the 100 box, square box it is given, and here is a 41 grid are filled. So that answer is 0.41. These are the 100 box. 100 box it represent to one whole. Okay, so here how many dots are filled? 10, 11, 12. 12 only it's filled. So you can write here 0.12. Here, this is the one whole number. So you have to write here 1 point and how many? 1, 10, 20, 30, 40. 40, so you have to write here the 1.40. Now understand, do this questions itself. In this exercise, we are reducing your syllabus. So I am telling to you in this video, in this exercise you have to do practice till question number 7. And note down in your copy question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5 and last 7. These are the questions you have to note down in your copy. Thank you. Take care all of you.